Hi, my name's Paul. I'd like to welcome you to my YouTube Webinar Expert channel. I'm here with my team to teach you all the skills you need to create and run your own successful webinars. I'm going to teach you everything you need to know so that you can start demolishing excuses and start gaining more clients. So who is this for? If you are a coach, a counsellor, a therapist, or an online educator, or otherwise in the people business, and you have learned about the power of webinars to grow your business, then you're in the right place. Why do I do this? I know that webinars are a very effective way for you to get in front of your prospective clients, so that you can offer your services internationally. I decided to create a one-stop shop where you can find out everything you need to know in one place. I want to remove all the roadblocks that are preventing you from running webinars to help you build your client base and be successful. I really do want to help you build a strong presence online. Starting out with webinars can seem overwhelming, but it shouldn't be. All great journeys start with a single step. I will teach you how to outsource work to get things done. So please join me here to learn how to start creating and running webinars so that you can be really successful and gain a lot more clients. I'll be offering tons of free training and goodies, resources including ebooks, templates, checklists, and much more. I'm going to show you the very best tools and resources to use. If you'd like to be notified of new content and do me a favour at the same time, please click the subscribe button down below. Thanks for taking your precious time to watch this. I hope you will learn some useful tips and skills from me. Thanks for watching, bye for now.